Hello students. So this is a copy of the syllabus. It is uploaded to your Moodle and it will remain there the entirety of this semester and this course. All of my contact information that is located at the top of the syllabus, it is also located at the top of our dashboard on our Moodle page. My office hours are set like that via Teams. If you guys need to meet me any other time outside of that, as long as I'm not teaching or have any kind of conflict, I do not mind. Of course, I prefer appointments. I service about 180 students a week. So I might have 4 students who want to talk to me at 8:30 on a Wednesday morning. So it's always better and easier and convenient for you guys for me to appropriate a slot time for you guys. So the course description is History of the United States 224. It's a broad examination of the major political, social, and economic movements and philosophies that contributed to American thought and development from colonial times to 1865. So in 1865, the world changed, America changed, and that's because the Civil War had ended and America as what we knew of, it changed. So Civil War is known as America's second revolution, but of course in this course we will talk about the original American Revolution. Everything that went into America before America became America. The laws, the founding fathers, the way of the world. We will discuss all of that in this course. Our text for this course is America's History, the 10th edition. And it's by Bedford St. Martin's Macmillan Learning. Rebecca Edwards is the first name that is on there. So this right here is the 10th edition. This is our first semester using the 10th edition. The edition that we used before then was the 9th edition. It's the same exact book, except, of course, it's the 9th edition. Same book, information might be off about a few pages. It might save you some money. But if I'm not mistaken, I think that book is available to you guys via your Brightwave platform where you guys' books are located in an ebook format. Also, the live text subscription is required by all Southern University students. It's included in the first time tuition. Format students should already have access if this is your first semester or first time freshman. Your live text subscription, you probably will get an email if you have not already gotten an email pertaining to that information. And of course, live text is an assignment. We have 2 live text assignments and they are given throughout the semester, and that information is also located on this syllabus as well. Also, Microsoft Teams is included with your SUS.edu email address. Like I said, with us not meeting, if you guys ever need to reach out to me, have any kind of questions or concerns, I'm always available to you guys. And our platform that we will use, of course, is Microsoft Teams. So I'm not going to go through the entire course outline with you guys, but the course outline is located on the syllabus. So we're starting with Unit 1, Transformations of North America, 1491 to 1700. So basically we're talking about what America was before Christopher Columbus and the other Europeans came over here. Chapter 1, the very first chapter that we will be diving into is Colliding Worlds. 1491 to 1600. And we're talking about different worlds because, America that we know it of, it was a new place for a lot of people at that time frame. So America was only home to the Native Americans at that time. But of course, you had the Europeans who came over. And when the Europeans came over, they also brought Africans with them. So you have all of these different people from different cultures, different backgrounds, speaking different languages, writing different languages. They're colliding. What happens, good or bad? And so chapter 1, we will get into, the Native American experience. What was going on in Europe for the Europeans to come over here to America? And then, of course, what was going on in Africa before the African slave trade focused in on Africans itself. Because slavery is not something that is new to history. It has been around since ancient civilization. But this is the first time in history where you have a particular group of people who are focusing on another group of particular people to be enslaved. So I will be uploading 3 videos for you guys to take a view and take a look at pertaining to chapter 1. As you guys can see, I'm scrolling, I'm going through the syllabus, I'm covering all of the important topics because, remind you, the syllabus is at your expense at any given time via your Moodle page. So this is the grading scale. Key terms and assignments are a very major part of your grade. You will have a key term quiz that will be due every Friday at 11:59 p.m. Now, things will be, it says Friday at 11:59 p.m., but it'll change. It'll be Sunday for you guys. This is an online class, so I will have things that will be open from Monday to Sunday. That will be you guys' deadline time. I will upload your key term assignment today and your key term quiz for chapter 1 today. It will be due by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. And I'll change that, of course. I think I've already uploaded the syllabus. But this is also for my 224 who meet in person with me. So I will update our syllabus to reflect our online course. The key term quiz and any other assignments that I give you, they're 20% of your grade. So don't let it just kind of slip past you. Makeup policy exams, as well as key term quizzes and assignments, they cannot be made up if you do not have a documented excuse. And so, of course, things can happen. So if anything happens, just please reach out to me because, sometimes life happens and we don't have a document or excuse for it. So just reach out to me if that's the case, and, we'll get it covered before it gets to that point. So that is basically it on the syllabus. All right, this is chapter 1's PowerPoint. I will be uploading a PowerPoint for every chapter in this course. I will also be underlining the key terms that will be on your key term quiz for the week for each chapter as well too. So the PowerPoint is for you guys to pretty much focus in on what's what. The most important information, the most important topics, because the chapters in your book, they're about 40 to 50 pages long per chapter. So the slides, we just kind of, condense it to where you have about 30 to 40 slides with visuals and information in a mixture to kind of give you a clearer picture of what's going on. We will also have a discussion forum that will be placed on the weekly with the assignments being due Sunday. And those weekly discussions will basically cover what we're talking about in that chapter at the time. And so as you guys can see, like I said, these PowerPoints, they're for your expense. And the videos that I will upload also kind of give you a easier, view into the Native American experience. The way of Europe before the Europeans came to America, and also Africa before the Atlantic slave trade. So I'm excited to teach you guys this history this semester. I hope you guys are excited to learn as well. If you guys have any kind of questions, comments, or concerns, please don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is at the top of the syllabus and the top of our Moodle page. And you guys have a great semester. Stay safe.